Hi, today we'll prototype how to create backups. So since my prototype is already running, I will tap the hamburger menu and then I will go straight down to the backups button. I will open it and then as you can see we have this action bar, back button, title, and then more options, menu for all the items in the list, but I don't want to see any of them. In this tutorial I will just go to the button so we can see that we have like a subtitle and then two items, two backups. So I will hit here, create backup, and then you can see that a new one was created, but we had some mistakes over here, so we'll fix it. Let me run the prototype again because we have a snack bar where we can stop the creation. So we provide to the user this possibility of stopping what he was doing or she was doing before that was finished. So I will hit here again and then I will undo, and the backup that was up here disappeared. But like I was saying, some mistake appeared, so let me correct it before I run you guys through my explanation on the screens. So I will just need to copy this text from here and paste it into this page, and maybe this one which has 0% opacity, and everything's gonna be fine now. So let me test it again running the prototype just to make it sure. So yeah, I will open this hamburger menu, tap backups, and then I can see two of them. I will create one more, and then this one more will have the correct date. Okay, this one is gonna be simple and easy. We just have 5 screens, so let's explain each one of them. The first one, pretty standard. We have been through them a lot of times, so there is no need for extra explanation. If you are new here, I recommend you to go and watch my previous videos so you will understand all the thoughts behind this one. So the second screen, I always like spend a little time to explain this one. Let me show the UI. We have a regular page, a regular artboard. What I do is I make it not visible, just like this, because I use the type of interaction where this menu will be open over this page. And yeah, that's it. We need to have all these elements. I will left the link in the description of this video, and then you can download and inspect all my Figma file if you have some doubt. And going on the next screen, it's pretty standard. We can use this app bar, turn that into an action bar, just removing the logo type, changing the button, and adding this title. So subtitle, pretty standard, just a regular text, but it's bold. And then we have text, icon, and a bottom divider. Turning this into a component or even just the auto layout, we can duplicate and then just change the text to make it like a different type of content. So for example, here I will type exactly the same number that I have up here. So they're gonna be the same element, the same component. 2022, the month is December and the day is 22. So just the same here too. There is no need, but if you wanna make things more consistent, that's a good way to go. Okay, so we have this screen. So in this button, create backup. Next screen, I just duplicated one of them and then change it just to match the current day. Same screen, same button, and then I'm using this snack bar. So I already showed that in previous tutorials on this 21 features application. Let me see where they are. Someplace here. Adding node, maybe not this one. Editing node, maybe this is gonna be the one. No, delete. Yes, because removing content, it's also always deserve some type of like way of returning and doing what we want. But here I kind of changed it, color and also type. So you can like use the same. You just come here, copy, go to the current tutorial and just make things similar just to keep consistency. So I'm gonna use the same color, same style. So it's 12. Let me make it 12. Regular white. Let me change it just to be the same. Let's see what else. It's too bold. Control U to underline. Let me change it to 12. Color, that's gonna be white as well. And then we pretty much have the same type of component, only the padding, it's like 16 by 16. So I'm gonna change it as well. So now we have the same element, same component. Let me change color and boom, there we go. I have this element into this page and also into this page. As you can see, if I press shift, it's going to show me where the other components are, even though they are not being shown because they have 0% opacity. But when I select some component and press shift, the other ones, they will be highlighted, as you can see here and here, or even, I don't know, maybe this guy here. So it's a good tip. So what I have to do, I will copy this from here, we'll delete this guy from here, we'll paste into this page, I will move a bit down, do the same here, paste and move a bit down, and then I'm gonna make sure that this component on these two pages, it's gonna be 0% opacity, just like this and like this. And I also need to remove the interaction because I don't want this component to be interactive. So now it's correct. So all the pages that we need to understand are these 5, and that's it. Now it's time to run you through the connectors, the prototype, the animations as well. So the first one, hamburger menu, it will have the following interaction: trigger on click, open overlay, going to the next screen, position top left, close when clicking outside, background black, 48%, moving direction right. So with this configuration, we can make this menu open like this, like from the left to the right, stopping right here, and the background will be black. 48% opacity, so we can see what happens beneath this. So the next interaction, if the user clicks out, like out of the menu, any place here, this part, for example, where we have no visibility, on click navigate to previous screen, push left side, and that's it. So moving ahead, we make this backup button take us to the next screen, which will have the following interaction: on click navigate to next screen, animation smart animate, and then as well will be important to name properly each frame, each artboard, because I'm naming them all of them home, but you definitely should change it. You have more time than I do recording this tutorial, so that's the reason. So back button, it will have the following trigger, following interaction: trigger on click navigate to first screen, animation I use it dissolve. You can use any that you want, you decide. You are the master of your creation. So the button down here, it will have the following interaction. Trigger on click, navigate to next screen, smart, animate. As easy as that. Back button will take us to the first screen. And to keep going, we just will hit, actually no, this create backup, it's dead here. We don't need to do anything, but we have some interaction like after delay. So we will click, select the frame, and then open this interaction after delay. I decided to go with 1800 milliseconds, navigate to next screen, smart animate. And also we have this undo link, which will take us to the previous screen where we don't have this element created like explained. So on click, navigate to previous screen, dissolve. That's the animation that I prefer to use here. You can use a different one, it's totally fine. So now let me run the prototype again just to make sure that everything is working properly. Let me hide those guys, those pages, and then I will open the menu again. I will go down to backups. I will open it, create a backup, undo. Okay, I changed my mind. I will create again and just wait for the snack bar to disappear. And that's all that we have for this tutorial. I really hope that you like it, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.